So ChatGPT has a feature called Agent, and in this agent mode, AI can do some interactive activities that usually only human can. For example, you can let this agent mode to book a flight or hotel on your behalf. You can also use it to edit your document and some other activities that require some interaction. But unfortunately, this feature is only available if you're paying the Plus or Pro version of ChatGPT. However, we got a really good alternative in copilot.microsoft.com. So it has a similar tool like the agent mode in ChatGPT, and it is called the action mode. And in many ways, it is very much similar. It is AI that can control a browser, and then it will perform tasks based on the instruction that you just provided. And it is actually better in some ways, like for example, it is faster. It will also ask you for confirmation before it is doing something. So I would say it is a great alternative for the agent mode in ChatGPT. So let me show you how we can use the action mode in Microsoft Copilot. So first, let's navigate to copilot.microsoft.com. And you can log in with your own account. And did I mention that this tool is free? Yeah, it is completely free. You can access the action mode without having to pay for the paid version of this tool. Now, for this example, I'm going to be using this simple prompt. And basically, I just want to let AI to do some research and find me the cheapest flight between Singapore to Tokyo for any date next month, for any time next month, and departing at any time on that day. Now, here you have to change the mode from quick response to action. And after that, just send a message and just wait for AI to actually start the browser, and we'll start doing the research and browsing, and we'll click some links, some buttons. And by the way, what's unique about that is that it is actually going to give you some questions, like for example, I'll research the most affordable flight option between Singapore and Tokyo for next month. Do you have any particular date in mind? Okay, I guess next month at 18 September. Let's enter that. So it is a bit different than agent mode. Agent mode will be a bit more independent, but the action mode is actually going to always ask you for all the details, all the confirmation. So make sure that the instruction is complete, detailed, and you have to be ready every time the action mode is asking you some question. So I'll just skip forward and show you the final result. Okay, so after about 5 minutes, the task is basically finished, and it is able to find me some the cheapest round-trip flight between Singapore to Tokyo, and this is the result. Now, unfortunately, it cannot book the flight for me because, well, for various reasons, I haven't provided some information like my name, my bank details, etc. And also, the website is actually blocking AI agent from navigating the page, and this is quite a common problem in various AI tools. Usually, there are big websites that are not allowing AI agents from visiting the page, and in that case, we might want to just get the link from AI, which in this case just provided by Copilot, and I can continue from that and doing it on my own. However, sometimes you can also just intervene. You can click Take Control, and you can control the page. Now it is still, you are still behaving, or you're still in the position of AI agent, so the site might still be blocked, but you can fix some problems like when AI is confused about what button to click, or maybe it has no idea about the captcha image, have to select the picture contains the car or hydrant, so you can intervene with that. And it's actually a feature that is also available in the agent mode in ChatGPT. And speaking about that, I actually sent the exact same prompt to ChatGPT agent mode, and it is still hasn't finished. It's been, I don't know, more than 10 minutes, and it's not yet finished. And also, it is only asking me one question just to clarify the date, and that's about it. And then it started doing the agent mode. So I don't know about that, because I think it is better. I prefer the approach from Copilot, because it is going to ask me on every single step to make sure that the information is accurate and factual, or it is based on something that I want. So overall, I would say it is faster than ChatGPT. It is also free, and the way it works is just a bit better. So go ahead, navigate to copilot.microsoft.com and try this action mode as an alternative to the ChatGPT agent mode. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.